SafanDarley, a leading manufacturer of hydraulic press brakes, offers a new series of energy-efficient models, the H-brake hybrid. The hybrid concept combines the benefits of hydraulic and electronic control techniques. The hybrid system only energizes when operating the foot pedal. The SafanDarley H-brake hybrid has a deep throat as standard, as well as a large stroke and large variable Q dimension, high productivity and low maintenance costs. You can choose between a variety of tool clamping systems. Clamping systems can be mechanical or hydraulic. The machine has as standard CNC-controlled X and R axis and as an option up to 6 axis. The back gauge is modular, so it can easily be adapted to more axes at a later date. For safe operation, the machine is equipped with a safety light guard. The H-brake hybrid has as standard the SafanDarley EC10 control. The optional EC20 control can easily connect with offline programming systems. Using the optional eBend S-sheet thickness measurement system, it is possible to bend extremely accurately. For optimum control of the bending angle, there is the new patented eBend L Blue angle measurement system. The eBend L can measure a single point or 3-point correction.